Hi everyone, welcome in today. Love and sunshine. Hope you're all doing well. And straight into the palette today, I have one of my favorites, gray. I am going to drop in some spot on silicone for this pour. I love my silicone as I love my gray. You can grab that one. It's a spot on brand from Amazon. Has that nice little needle dropper thing so you don't accidentally put too much in. Give it a good old stir just right before I use it. That's just my process. The silicone's still going to stay in there, so if you got some left over, don't forget to mark it, because I often do forget that it's in there. Maybe your memory is better than mine. I don't know. It's part of the surprise of it all turning out too. I have a titanium white and this is a silver. They are both mixed with pouring medium, and the black also, that's just straight pouring medium. And the next two are Micas. They have powder, which I mix with pouring medium. So if you want to see how I mix my pouring medium, I'll leave a card up in the top corner there, and you can click on that video to see how I mix my pouring medium. And if you're interested, I can do a video on how I mix up my micas as well. Just let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of those how-to or tutorial style videos, and I can do my best to sort something out there for you. All right, so the plan here is we're laying down a base for some puddles. I'm just using my white and my gray to keep it sort of neutral in the background, and I'm going to spin these out, get it all situated, and then we're going to do some little puddle experimentations, and I'm going to swipe it. So, oh, Bone Money's come to have a look. A little man. Yes, so that's the plan. Okay, I'm going to lay out 6 puddles. 3 of them are going to be silver, black, and pearl. And the other 3 are going to be pearl, purple, and silver. Then I'm going to swipe through them. So here we go with that. Okay, I'm just reading up for the swipe. I have the black Australian Floetrol mix, and I have a piece of plastic acetate packaging divider that I like to use. It's rigid enough, but not super rigid. That's really bad describing, but it's not floppy and it's not super hard, so it's perfect. Plus I can see through it to see where where it's swiping. So I love using that. If you can, you can't buy it. If you find some, you might be able to get it from like the you know, office supplies store, they might have like folders that are made of a clear plastic. You might be able to, you know, create something yourself. But that was actually old packaging from something that I bought, and I was like, ooh, that'll be good for swiping. So that's what I'm using there. Black Australian Floetrol mix. Check the card for the video on how I mix that paint if you're interested in looking at my recipe for it. There's hundreds of different recipes out there, lots of different videos, but I have a video with mine linked up there. And I'm just going to swipe 3 of these swipes across the canvas to see if I can move some of those puddles and just create an interesting swipe effect in the black. And then I'm going to spin it out. So yeah, surprise! I'm baking you a cake again. I messed up with my video storage and here we are again. I actually debated whether or not to even publish this video, so I'm just cutting my losses and hoping that you guys will enjoy the part that I've posted. But I still wanted to show you the finished result, even though it's just missing part of the spin. So we've got all of the different techniques of the puddle pour moving into a spin after a swipe, and you can see the micas coming through in the silver and the purple and the white, with the black Floetrol creating that nice lacing. We've also got some silicone cells happening there with the grey and the white. All in all, it turned out really nicely. So despite me losing the spin footage, the result was great. Let me know what you think. Any comments, questions, pop them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.